letters to the people whom you want to come in that party. Okay, so this is very time consuming. Okay, 50 letters, writing 50 letters uh, for 50 people is very time consuming. So there should be one way, any way out, to save our time, that so that we can use that time in some uh, useful things. Okay, uh, I'm giving you another example also. Suppose you are in a school, okay, and that school is organizing an event, suppose a sports event, okay, and that school wants other schools also to take part in that event, right? So how will that, suppose there are about 30 schools in the city, and the school wants all those 30 schools to come and take part in that event. So how will the school invite the other schools? School will write a letter, an official letter will be drafted to each and every school. Writing the 30 letters all together at time is very, time consuming. So you need to have a way out, to save your time. Okay. So one way is you can write the letter in Word. Okay. You can write only one letter in MS Word. Okay. And you can leave the spaces for the people's name and their address. Okay, this we can do. If we want to, write 50 letters, the same type of letter. We can do. We can write the same letter. Sorry, you can write one letter which is common in MS Word, and we can leave the space for the names and the address of the people. Okay, and then we can copy it and we can paste it. Suppose we are giving it for, we are writing the letter for about 50 people. Okay, so we can copy the letter which we have written and we can paste it 50 times. We got the entire body. Now we have to write the names of the people whom we are going to invite. Okay, name and the address. That we have to write one by one. But that also takes time. Okay, if you're writing 50 names and 50 addresses in each and every letter by your own, it takes time. Okay, so what is the way out? We can use the feature of mail merge in this. How we are going to use it? In the mail merge feature, what you do, you make one letter which is common for all the letters. In that letter you write only that text which is common in all the letters. That means you make a body of the letter, and in that you write only that thing which is common in all the 50 letters that you are given. Okay. On the other hand, you make a data source. Now, what is a data source? It is a recipient list. It is actually a recipient list. In this data source, actually, you write the name and the information of all the people whom you are giving the letters. Okay, suppose you are giving the letters to 50 people. So that the data source that you are making will contain the name of the 50 people, their address, their phone numbers, all and all these things. Okay, and then finally, what will you do when you have created a letter which is common to all the people? You have not mentioned any name and any address in that letter right now. Okay, you wrote the letter and you only wrote the text which is common to all the 50 letters. Yeah, okay, and you have left the space blank for the name and the address. Okay, and on the other hand, you have made a data source. All right, then finally, what we do, you merge it. Okay, with the help of mail merge feature, you merge. Okay, and in the as an output, what will you get? You will get the 50 letters. The mail merge feature, it will make 50 letters, and in each letter you will find the names and the address of the people, all the 50 people uh, being mentioned over there. Okay, so how will we do this? That I'm going to tell you right now. There are three important things for mail merge. The first thing is the data source that I have told you. The second thing is the main document, that is the text that we write, which is common to all the people. And the third one is the merge field, the fields that we are going to merge. Okay. So now I'm telling you, I will write a letter to do one thing. I will increase the font. Okay, I've increased the font. Here I'm